Now for the lemon leaves, I'm going to use sap green, and that's a watery sap green first as the base, and the same sap green I'm going to use a little thicker with a little bit of black for giving the darker shade at a certain areas. So I'm going to keep the leaves very simple, not giving too much of detailing here. As you can see, again it's a sap green base color and sap green plus black in your brush to give the darker shade. We are going to use plain sap green for the stems everywhere. So all over you're going to do the leaves the same manner.